Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the Flowering Zinnia's Designer Series paper, the Simply Zinnia stamp set. Both of these are online exclusive products. And we're also going to be using the Everyday Details dies, okay? But before we start our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. First up, we have our April Paper Pumpkin Kit, Delicate Wings. You have until April 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 cards and has a basic gray stamping spot. If you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can also purchase the Thanks and Beyond dies add-on for $12. It's a set of 4 dies. It coordinates with April, May, and June Paper Pumpkin Kit. The item number is 164397. If you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, there's a link below in the description box for you to go ahead and sign up, okay? Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the flat rate, medium-sized USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of my new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking $30 each for the boxes. Shipping is included. I can only sell and mail in the United States. If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Lastly, we have our March host code. This is a code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more before shipping and tax. Don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, all right? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. All right, so we're going to continue using the Kendra's card challenge number 13 until we're finished. This is going to be sketch number 12, and that is this one right here. So that's what we're putting together today. I've gone ahead and did a lot of things ahead of time. So here's our base. It's thick basic white, 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2, and I've already put it on our inside on some petal pink that is 5 by 3 3/4, basic white that is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. Designer Series paper is 3/4 by 3 1/2, and a piece of the Melon Mambo cardstock, which is 1/4 by 3 1/2. Okay, so that is our inside done already. So we're going to go ahead and get started with some stamping. Okay, I'm going to stamp this beautiful flower here in some petal pink ink. Just going to get that inked up pretty good. Get that on there. Oh gosh, this is so gorgeous. Then we're going to stamp our sentiment right over that, and we're going to use Melon Mambo. And our sentiment says, "Thank you so much." And I want that to be about right there, like that. Okay, that's all the stamping. And now we're going to take our 2-inch circle punch. We're going to punch this out. Okay. Then I went ahead and die cut, what is this? A circle from the Everyday Details dies. I'm not sure which one I used. I think it was the second one, the second largest, the middle one. And we're going to attach our sentiment layer right onto that. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm out of frame. I do this a lot. I bring this stuff up to my face so I can see what I'm doing. We're just going to add this on. Oh, did I want to pop that up? I don't even know. I'll pop up the, well, it doesn't matter now, right? I put glue on it. Okay, let me see if I got that centered in there before it dries all the way. My goodness, Shauna. Okay, so I have some Melon Mambo and petal pink here, and then we have our 3 pieces of Designer Series paper to layer on top. And see what I did? I scribbled on that side so I'll know that these 2 pieces, they're the same, so I'll know which one is which one I was trying to use. So I'm going to put this onto our petal pink. Right now, I don't remember. Oh, goodness gracious, Shauna. I don't know. I can't remember if I gave it a... That's not right. I'm trying to see if I gave it a 1/4 inch border or... Yeah. Sometimes I cut it a 1/4 inch larger, and sometimes I'll do the 1/8. But I think I kept this one true to the sketch. So we're going to put this down here, trying to make sure it stays lined up with that one. See, I didn't mark this one. Which side was I going to use? They're both the same color. Let's use the stripy side since it's a lot going on in all the rest of them. The other two. I don't think I planned to use this side though, but after looking at it, I think it is better. So it won't be too busy. Then we're going to add this into the Melon Mambo. Do I have any ribbon? This looks like it needs some ribbon, and I wasn't planning on ribbon, but I think I do have some petal pink ribbon. Let me see. I do. This is the Ribbon Duo Combo Pack. Even though we're going to cover most of this up. Let's get some tear and tape and add our ribbon on. Put that ribbon right there. I forget to use ribbon. I buy the ribbon because it's so pretty. And then I don't use it because I find it hard to use the ribbon. Like, I don't know where to put it half the time. And then I don't always want a bow. So I'm like, do I put a whole piece of ribbon or do I tie a bow on it? Like, what am I going to do here? So, yeah, that's why I don't use a ribbon a lot, because I never know what to do. And then I'm not that great at tying bows either, so there's that. I love the way Marcy Bessiker ties her bows. Oh my gosh, she's like a genius and an expert. She has a little video on how to do it, and I can do it sometimes, but they still don't come out as good as hers. Okay, we're gonna put that right in the middle. That's a lot of border, but it's pretty. All that white makes the card so bright, right? So now we're gonna get dimensionals to pop up our sentiment here. Get ready for dimensional overload. I don't think I'm gonna do too much. I think that's enough. Think that's too many? Did I overload? I don't think so, not today. I usually do, but I think that's pretty good. We're gonna sit this. About right there. Try to make sure my sentiment is straight. Then I have some adhesive back shiny sequins that comes in this suite of products with the Simply Zinnia and the Flowering Zinnia Designer Series paper, and it also has an embossing folder. Let's see. I keep pulling. I'm gonna have to take this off because I keep pulling that off. I don't want to cut myself. I don't know what color I want to use. Choices. Let's see, because I've been using this Melon Mambo, and since all that Melon Mambo, let's use these. What is this color? They have Lemon Lolly, Melon Mambo, Lemon Lime Twist, and Pumpkin Pie. So I guess this will be the pumpkin pie. I don't know. But I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to put it just like that. And that's our card done. What do you think? You like it? I love it. It's cute. Nice and simple. Should we add Wink of Stella? Why not? I have it right here. Let's put some Wink of Stella in the, it's like little stars in the middle of this flower here. Just little highlights, not a bunch. Just to add a little bit more sparkle. Oh yeah. Ooh, I love it. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.